today I'm gonna bring in some GoPro strap. It's kind of those things that go on for your shoulder and your waist, pretty much, and it's to record. It's kind of like a video blogging setup. Maybe your adventures, your mountain bike riding, your running, your all sorts of things. Ever since the GoPro 7 was introduced with the stabilization, well, we're gonna take a look at it and we're gonna use it today and go to Comic-Con and take a look at it. And you guys let me know. I'm gonna put a little footage in there and see if you guys what do you guys think about it. So let's go ahead and open it up and let's talk a little details of what you get. First of all, nothing fancy. Little plastic bag. That's pretty much no instructions, nothing else. I did open it up earlier just to take a look at it, but I just wanted you guys to get the full experience. So it does come with one of these screws in, so you can actually put the GoPro mounted in here and set it up. So this pretty much sits on your shoulder. It kind of bends. If you guys see it, it's kind of like a curve. It's cloth. The only thing that's not cloth is this plastic top here. This is pretty much the front of it. If you guys see it, this is plastic, and this is where you actually mount the actual camera on here. Now there is a couple straps. There's one here, and this is movable, of course. This goes around your shoulder, and then this goes over your waist. So pretty much this is how it goes. 3 over your waist. If you guys can see it, over your waist here. This is for your waist, and this mounts on the shoulder. And the way it works, I'm gonna show you guys a little picture of how I have it, and I'm gonna show you before and after and take a look at it. So let me go ahead and bring in the mount. The mount actually sits here. I'm not even gonna put a camera in here so you guys can see it, how it looks. So this is a GoPro camera setup. There's a new version of GoPro. It's 8, and it comes with its own little plastic, I don't know what you call these things, but pretty much they sit in here. They give you this extra accessory here, and you actually have to find the hole here. And let me see if I can get it there. So I'm gonna tell you a couple issues I had with this, all right, after using it. So pretty much this sits on your shoulder, something like this. If you guys see on the left hand corner or your right hand corner, wherever it is that you're looking at, and pretty much this right in front of your face. So you'll hear some of my audio too. And this is adjustable by only up and down. You can't do sideways. The only way you can move it is on your own, kind of like finding your own way and strapping it down and tying it up. A couple of things I didn't like about it was that I wish it had another a different movement. It could have been adjusted vertical maybe. Right now it's pretty much up and down and nothing else, no left and right. I wish they had another accessories, but there is another strap that I should have bought, the one that it's more mobile than this one. This one's the cheapest one, that's why I ended up buying this one. And I'm showing you guys, if you're going to purchase some of this, I don't recommend you something like this. If you want, look at the other versions of it. I'm also going to put a link to the description and maybe link to the other one. I am going to purchase the other one when I do more of these blogging, because I am getting the GoPro 8. This is the 7. The 7 is very stable. If you walk around, you can't even see it moving around too much. You don't need a stabilization or stable stick or anything like that. It's pretty much you put it on yourself and you walk around the whole convention or show that you're gonna do, or you're gonna ride a bike or do some adventure footage. This is pretty much what you want to do. But this strap here, I wasn't very happy with it. It kept going crooked, a little bit sideways like this, and the video was a little crooked sometimes, and I had to actually have my phone to see the footage before I have to adjust it to kind of like make sure it's set up properly and you're able to see it as a person watching the movie. And right now it's pretty much the only way you can set it up and you could adjust it is if you have to move the whole thing in. And if you adjust it, sometimes it was a little it wasn't very comfortable, to be honest with you. And this is not made for big people like me. I'm a big guy, you know. I'm 200 and something pounds. You know, I'm not gonna say I'm 200 and something pounds, but I got a large waist, 40 inch waist. So yeah, it's pretty large. And this thing is pretty tight for the 40 inch. Not enough, you know. It's just like I felt like a freaking tight ass bra if I wear one. You know, it was very uncomfortable. I had to adjust it, and it kind of like you know, adjusting yourself kind of thing. It was not very comfortable either. It was pretty tight. And imagine if you have a costume or something over it. I wish they gave me more strap. This is made for small little people, like people in China. That's what this was made. It's probably made for a more petite person, and it's not made for a larger guy or anybody like that. I wouldn't recommend it if you're gonna purchase. If you're a big guy, you're gonna purchase something like that. I wouldn't recommend it. It's pretty small, and adjusting it's not very well. So if you guys look at it, I am gonna put the link to the one I recommend you. I don't recommend this one, to be honest with you, and it's not for me. I should have looked at more of the other straps instead of me buying the first one I see, the cheapest one. I kind of pay the price, you know, you get what you get. But I want to show you guys not to do the same mistake I did. They do have another one that actually lifts up and you could adjust it different ways. That would have been much easier because that means I could put this strap how I feel comfortable, and then I could have just readjusted different ways. But other than that, it's a good product, but I wouldn't recommend it, to be honest with you. It's well made. I'm not gonna tell you that it's well made, but it's made for petite people, smaller people. A waist of 40 is a little too tight. So if you guys could see, I did the limitations already. There's not much I can do. But if you had a costume like in Comic-Con and you're wearing this, it's gonna be super tight or something like that. So my recommendation is not to get something like this if you're a big guy, you know. Maybe if you can't afford something, then maybe it could be for you. But other than that, I don't recommend it. If you have any questions or anything like this, let me know. I'm gonna put some footage here so you guys can see it. If you have any questions or any comments on this stuff, let me know. Hit me up. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, out.